How to fix Windows 10 notifications not working. Windows 10 has a great system for providing consumers with notifications from apps. This can be fine-tweaked further so that only certain notifications will be displayed, which can help in productivity. Sometimes those certain issues can occur, which we will be addressing today. There are several factors that can cause this problem, ranging from a wrong setting to an issue with the app. In this short video, we will tackle the simple and easy-to-follow troubleshooting methods on how to fix Windows 10 notifications not working. But before performing any of the recommended troubleshooting solutions in this video, it's best to restart your computer first. This action refreshes the operating system and remove any corrupt temporary data that could be causing the problem. How to fix Windows 10 notifications not working. First method is to change the notification settings on your Windows 10 computer. To do this, click the Start or Windows button. Then, click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At the Windows Settings section, click on System tab. Now, at the System tab, click on Notifications and Actions, which is located at the left side. In this section, you can do any of the following actions. First, choose the quick actions you'll see in Action Center. Then, you can choose whether to see notifications on the lock screen. Next, show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. Then you can also allow notification to play sounds. You can also choose to turn notifications, banners, and sounds on or off for some or all notification senders. You can also turn tips, tricks, and suggestions about Windows on or off. And you can also choose to get notifications from senders. If you have enabled most of the notification settings but it is not working, then you can do the next troubleshooting methods. Next, let apps run in the background. One of the reasons why you might not be getting notifications from certain apps is because these apps might not be running in the background. To do this, click the Start or Windows button. Then, click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At the Windows Settings section, click on Privacy tab. Then, scroll down to find and select Background Apps tab from the left panel. Next, at the Background Apps section, toggle on the option Let Apps Run in Background. Then, choose the apps that you want to get the notifications from and then toggle on or toggle off. After turning on notifications apps, restart the computer. Then check if the Windows 10 notifications not working issue still occurs. Next, turn on notifications for specific apps. Try checking if the notification setting of the app is turned on. To do this, click the Start or Windows button. Then, click on Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. At the Windows Settings section, click on System tab. Now, at the System tab, click on Notifications and Actions, which is located at the left side. Next, make sure Get Notifications from Apps and Other Senders is turned on. Scroll down and have a look at the list of apps. Make sure the apps that you want to get notifications from are turned on. Check if the Windows 10 notifications not working issue still occurs. Lastly, turn on notifications via Registry. In case the mentioned steps fails to fix the problem, then you will need to make some changes in the Registry editor. To do this, first at the search box on the taskbar, type regedit. Then, select the top result for Registry editor. A prompt message appears if you allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on Yes. Then, at the Registry editor section, click on H_key_current user_folder. Click on Software folder. Then, click on Microsoft. Then, click Windows. Then, Current version. Then click on Push Notifications. Next, at the push notifications at the right pane, double-click Toast Enabled and change its value to 1. Then, click OK to confirm. Next, restart the computer. Check if the Windows 10 notifications not working issue still occurs. After following the methods mentioned, you have successfully fixed Windows 10 notifications not working issue. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.